So in this question, this integral equation type is given here, and we have to find the values of a according to this integral equation. After that, we have to ensure that the value of a must lie in this range which is given in the question. So uh, let us proceed with the given integral equation. So in the given integral equation, we have given that, so integration of 1 to e log x to the base e to the power half. So let me do one thing here. See, if if I suppose here log x to the base e to be t, then after that what is going to come, which is, if I suppose log x to the base e is equal to t, then after that we will be getting a dx is equal to x dt. Okay, so the limits are going to also to be transformed here. So what will be the limits? Limits will be from 0 to 1, and if we replace the log x by t, so we will have here x a minus t to the power 3 by 2 whole square. Dx will be x dt. So from x in the denominator it will be cancelled. I am taking here LHS part. Okay, so after that uh, finally we have integral as t to the power 1 by 2 a minus t to the power 3 by 2 to the power 2 dt. So here also it this term can also be more simplified more. If I suppose here a minus t to the power 3 by 2 as v, so there will be t to the power 1 by 2 dt is equal to dv. Okay, so limits will be like a to a minus 1, and t to the power half dt will be minus dv, and a minus d I have supposed it as v square. So after that, on integrating, we will have, so after that on integrating we will have minus of v to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 a minus 1. So if I take minus outside, then so after that, uh, after putting the limits here, we will have here 1 upon a minus 1 minus 1 upon a, will which will be equal to a a a minus a plus 1, a minus a plus 1 upon a minus 1 into a. Okay, so at last we have uh, this type of equation here after solving the integral. So now I am coming with RHS part. If I equate RHS part, then there will be 1 upon a minus 1 into a is equal to 1. So a square minus a minus 1 is equal to 0. Here, after applying Sridharacharya, we will have here 1 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, which will be root 5. After solving uh, by 2. Okay, so we have two roots here of a, sorry, two values of here, which are, which one is 1 plus root 5 by 2, another is 1 minus root 5 by 2. So now come to the options. Since there are many one, uh, since there may be more than one options may be correct. So no a satisfies the above equation. This is the wrong option. We have two values, although they are irrationals, but they are satisfying the equations. An integer a satisfies the above equation. This is also wrong. We have irrational number which satisfies this equation. There is not any integer. We can see our the values which are, one second, I have not ensured that they whether they are coming inside the given our range of a. Since a is minus infinity to 0 and 1 to infinity, or we can say that 0 to 1 is excluded. So 0 to 1, so this quantity will be uh, greater than 1, and this quantity will be less than 0. So these two values are under the range of the given condition of a. And now next, move to our next option is an irrational number a satisfy the above equation. This option is correct. More than one a satisfy the above equation. This option is also correct, since we have two values of a. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. And thank you and have a nice time ahead.